Hi, moms and dads. Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. So, today I'm going to tell you that if it's really important to send your toddlers to school, and if yes, what kind of a school that you are supposed to send them. So, yes, my toddler is 2.5 years old and I have already enrolled him to the school because it's very important. When our toddlers are at home, it is not possible for us to actually give them a better development, and a good development is really necessary for a toddler because it makes them smart, and not just smart, it makes them to be creative, to be someone to reduce their shyness, to get along with other kids, and to have a social skill, which is really important. Nowadays social skill is something really important, and if they lack in that, then it's really going to be very challenging. And also, if you're going to enroll your kids in nursery, then it's going to be very complicated because as a toddler, when they go to school, they actually take time to get used to it, and in that phase itself, they will cry, they will break down, but still going every day to school, they will get used to it. And and one certain day they will get to know that okay, it's a safe place, and they will be calm and they'll be quiet and they'll get used to going to school. But in nursery, if you're going to put them right, it's going to take them time because they will already academic would have started, and in a phase where your kid is crying, they will not be able to concentrate and they will not be able to grasp the things that is going on in the school, so it will be very complicated for them. So it's always best that you put your kids when they are toddler, maybe 2.5 years old or 2 years, however you guys should know about it. And that's really good. I mean, we might feel that it's really not necessary or important, but no, it's very very important. And because being at home, they will actually do like, they will play in the house, or they will go, you might take them out also, but it's not possible for us to be with our kids 24/7 because as a mom and dad, we will have other things also to look after. So in that phase, they will end up watching TV or waste their time, which is really not good. So going to a toddler school is really a best thing because they will have a lot of things to learn over there, and there is no academic. I mean, I choose this particular school because there is no academic, like no alphabets, no numerics, nothing is there. They'll just focus on the games and playing and dancing, singing, just more on they'll focus more on like development for our toddlers, which is very important. So yes, please choose a school which is really safe for your kids. And yes, this is something very important, and I chose the school, the first thing is because of the safety, because they have cameras, and once your kid goes inside, no one can even peep or see anything what is happening inside. It's completely covered, and there are so many cameras, everything is recorded, and we will get update about the baby each and every hour. And whatever you want to know, like what your baby is doing or anything, everything will be updated. And we have a ease communication. I mean, you can get in touch with teacher or the principal very easily, which is really good. They have a separate app where you can actually monitor if your baby checked in and they came out. So each and every time will be registered over there, and what is going to happen in the class today or what happened in the class today, everything will be registered. And even when you go drop them, there will be a teacher always near the gate who will assist the kids. Without the ID of a parents, they will never let the child go. So it's something really strict that is being followed over here, and that is what I like, because my child's safety is what is very important, and you guys should also prioritize that. And apart from that, if you opt for a school van also, there is a caretaker in the school van who will drop all the kids and then they'll come back, a female caretaker, which is very important. Also to pick up also, there is a female caretaker who will come and pick the kids. So something that is being followed over here, which is very amazing. And also there are only 10 students and 2 teachers and 2 caretakers for 10 sets of kids. I mean, just imagine. So each and every kid is going to get attention, and there will be no kind of accidents that can ever occur over here. So that is something very good over here about this school, and my baby is also very happy. And let's see how it goes henceforth. And yes, parents, please look after all this and then opt your kid too.